Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shabala. So today I'm gonna show you this potato scrub. So we need these main ingredient, that is potato. So let's get started. Okay, first of all take a potato and cut into small slices like so. Okay, now take a mixie jar and mix it until it turns into like a paste. Okay, this is the paste, potato paste. Okay, now add 1 spoon of sandalwood powder on this paste, potato paste. Okay, now add half spoon of turmeric powder. Okay, now add 2 or 3 spoons of gram flour, besan flour. Okay, and now add 1 spoon of honey on this mixture. Now add 1 spoon of coffee powder. Okay, mix all ingredients well like so until it turns like the thick paste. Now the paste was ready for applying, and clean your face with rose water like so. Okay, now take a cotton and clean it your face with cotton. Okay, now take this paste and mix it well again. Okay, now apply on your face and neck. Please subscribe my channel guys, hit the bell icon, never miss another update video. Please like all my videos. Please give a big thumbs up on my videos guys. So apply this scrub on your face and neck evenly. Please subscribe my channel guys, hit the bell icon, never miss another update video. Okay, now applying completed. Now wait for 25 minutes until it will dry. Okay, then after it will dry, clean your face and neck. So now watch my glowing and clean and clear skin. Okay, for this magical ingredient potato. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel guys. Bye, I love you. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching this video.